One advice you will give to your juniors who is coming to the DU colleges and joining the DU alumni networks?
I feel like if you compare DU and private colleges, you should definitely go for Delhi University because, like I said, experience is what matters and learning matters the most. So you get to learn here the most. And
Guys, you will be coming from different states. Like I am expecting that most of you will be coming from different states. So Delhi life is going to haunt you at some time in the starting. So pehle to all the very best.
Sir Rishraj.
hi, Soumya.
Okay. So basically, I have a question: is DU worth it or not?
Okay. Overall, I think it is worth it, but it depends on on what parameters you measure it.
Okay.
So
So in terms of placements and curriculum or study faculty and all, you can tell us to our audience.
okay, I personally think that the curriculum is a bit redundant. It should be revised again and again every year, and maybe it should focus more on practical experience rather than the theory itself. About placements, again, it depends. It differs from college to college. If you're in North Campus, there is a chance you'll get better placement than in South Campus. Teachers, again, it depends from college to college, but overall it's the same. You don't really get to learn much, I feel, from the teachers, but they do try their best.
ओके इट इज टोटली फाइन कि अगर हमें कोई अच्छा कॉलेज नहीं मिल जाता है जैसे टॉप कॉलेजेस SRCC हिंदू हंसराज कि हम ड्यू के जस्ट टैग के लिए सो कॉल्ड टैक्स के लिए हम दूसरे कॉलेजेस में जाए और एडमिशन लें जिससे कि हमें पर्सनल करियर बेनिफिट्स कुछ मिलते हो इससे आप जो बता सके अपने एक्सपीरियंस से
From other colleges,
यस ड्यू एफिलेटेड कॉलेजेस लाइक श्यामलाल कॉलेज और सम बगनी निवेदिता कॉलेजेस दीज काइंड्स ऑफ कॉलेज ऑफ कैंपस कॉलेज
okay, I personally think कि जो low tier colleges हैं DOK, they have their own benefits, like because उनमें resources कम होते हैं, like for some societies you don't get funding या फिर वैसे भी you get to experience a lot. अगर कम resources होते हैं, you learn to fight for them, you learn to make your way. Like जो top tier colleges होते हैं उनमें you get resources, different kind of resources. It can be anything. There is infrastructure. There are difficulty is probably better. But I feel कि जो low tier colleges होते हैं they allow you to thrive and basically learn from the experience, test yourself, push yourself to limits.
Okay. One advice you will give to your juniors who is coming to the DU colleges and joining the DU alumni networks.
I feel like if you compare DU and private colleges, you should definitely go for Delhi University because, like I said, experience is what matters and learning matters the most. So you get to learn here the most, and I feel again that comes to the low tier colleges wala experience ही as compared to the top tier colleges. Low tier में you focus more on experience, and top tier में I personally feel you focus more on the पढ़ाई वाला scene.
Okay. Thank you for sharing your experience. Hi, this side Ishraj.
I'm Vaishnavi.
Okay. What is your course?
BA Insurance.
PMS first second year.
Okay. So मेरा पहला क्वेश्चन ये है कि it is totally fine कि हम DU के low tiers colleges choose करें when we don't get like high preference colleges like SRCC, Hansraj and Hindu, whichever we like aim for that.
It is worth it if you want to like study in DU because at the end of the day when you get the certificate from DU your college will be not mentioned in it. So that is also one thing. Plus faculty is good in low tier colleges also. So you can go for it.
Same, I feel agree with you. Actually, our colleges, अभी जो DU के colleges हैं, वो kind of social activity पे, like societies वगैरह पे ज़्यादा focus है. Societies आपको मौका देती है for enhancing your creativity. So I guess low tier colleges भी अच्छे होते हैं.
ओके तो आपका एक्सपीरियंस ओवरऑल अभी तक DU में कैसा रहा लाइक टुवर्ड्स सोसाइटी फैकल्टी स्पोर्ट्स फैकल्टी फैसिलिटीज अदर थिंग्स कनेक्टिविटी और जो आपने एक्सपेक्टेशंस किया था डिड दे DU लाइक मेक इट रियल सम सॉर्ट ऑफ
Okay, so it varies from colleges to colleges. From my experience, my faculty is very history honors faculty is really good, and sports faculty is also good. Like sports events happen in our college on very regular basis, like annually भी होते हैं and mid semester भी होता है. So sports events are there. Societies are very active, but it depends on which society you join. Like the placement cell of our college is very active, but there are other societies which don't engage that much into activities. So उनके जो flagship event है वो भी एक ही है, वो भी उसमें ज़्यादा participate नहीं करते. So choose the societies very clearly, guys, because it make it up there, and make sure to join some of the societies which make sure that your interests are fulfilled. Like I joined PCL.
According to my experience, BMS department की faculty काफ़ी अच्छी है. Like the teachers are quite well. Teaching style वगैरह बहुत अच्छी होती है. Considering sports, अब हमारे पास events वगैरह बहुत अच्छे हैं. Sports teacher भी काफ़ी अच्छे हैं, काफ़ी ज़्यादा qualified है. So और infrastructure हमारे college का like well अच्छा है, काफ़ी अच्छा है. So considering all the factors, like I'm impressed with my college.
Okay, if you compare DU with private universities in terms of career and other sort of alumni network and things, it is like okay or good, or you are like totally fine with this which is going right now?
To be honest, when you consider the whole alumni network of DU, so I can say it might happen कि आपके college का alumni network is strong now. But when you talk about DU, the alumni network is too strong. There are big businessmen, there are celebrities, there are sports persons, there are journalists, there are many people who are the alumni from DU. So alumni network is very good. Events happen very frequently. Also, when you compare the fee structure, you know what private takes and what a central university like DU takes. So that is also worth it, and I feel like it is totally worth it to be a part of DU rather than compared with any other side.
Considering the fee structure of our colleges and DU, ROI is much better than any private college, I must say, especially in the stream of humanities or in commerce as well, I can consider. Actually, where I guess in DU, ROI is much better, much great. और alumni network की बात करें तो फिर considering our department as well as in every better DU colleges, North Campus, South Campus, any of these colleges, हमारे पास startups काफ़ी अच्छा है, founders वगैरह हमने काफ़ी अच्छे निकाले हैं. Alumni network is much better, much organized than any private
Also,
college.
your course matters. Like sometimes when you compare fashion studies, you can literally study that some subject better in a private university. There are many universities like Pearl is a very good academy. So course also matters, but if your course is not that specific like fashion studies and all, then you should come to DU. If it is fashion studies or something like that, you may consider some private courses.
Okay. One advice you will give to your juniors who are going to join DU or given the CUT?
See, guys, you will be coming from different states. Like I am expecting that most of you will be coming from different states. So Delhi life is going to haunt you at some time in the starting. So pehle to all the very best. Congratulations to whomsoever who will be coming to Delhi. DU life will be very good, but at starting you can feel it a little bit overwhelming कि बहुत कुछ happening है. So don't get lost in that happening. Rather find what you want to find and why you came to Delhi. So don't forget the source why you came here. And this life is going to give you a lot of chances. So make sure you make most of all the opportunities you get.
तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो जूनियर्स हमारे आ रहे हैं मैं उसको उन्हें यही कहना चाहूँगा कि यार फर्स्ट ईयर इज ऑल अबाउट एक्सप्लोरिंग कॉलेज, एक्सप्लोरिंग द दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी. आपको सोसाइटीज वगैरह सारे ज्वाइन करने हैं, आप ओपन अप रहो, आप सबसे मिलो, सबसे बातें करो. हाँ, ऑफ कोर्स एकेडमिक्स पे फोकस रखना क्योंकि CGPA इन द एंड ऑल्सो मैटर अ लॉट. फिर आप अपनी सीवी पर बनाओ, काफ़ी अच्छा CV बनाओ, इस पे ध्यान दो, ठीक है. एंड कंसिडरिंग ऑल दोज डिसिप्लिनरी और फिर बहुत सारे जो आपके होते हैं ना, अपने स्किल्स डेवलप करो, काफ़ी अच्छे स्किल्स कोर्सेज वगैरह करो. आई मस्ट से दिल्ली घूमो, इट्स अ नाइस प्लेस. दिल्ली के अराउंड भी काफ़ी अच्छी अच्छी जगह है, ठीक है. दोस्त बनाओ, उनके साथ ट्रिप वगैरह जाओ.
Okay, thank you for sharing your experience.
Thank you.